Hello there. I am in Acworth, Georgia. And I had a really big breakfast. So it is now about 6 p.m. And I am finally headed home. I've been to Atlanta today to get my car, little issue fixed with my car. And I am at the Acworth supercharger right now, charging my car. And all the Tesla superchargers are located, well, not all of them, but most of them, around things that, like little shopping centers where there's something to eat, something to do. However, this one, there's a Waffle House and a Zaxby's and a La Bamba Mexican restaurant and a Bamboo Garden. I don't know if that's a restaurant or a massage parlor. I see a Domino's and a Sonic, and that's all I see right here. I knew what was here because I've been here before, so I didn't want any one of those. So let me get to the point of this story. I'm rambling. On the interstate exit sign, I saw a sign that said Henry's Louisiana Grill. And that just sounded good to me, so I put that into my GPS and I found it. And I'm telling you, the menu looks wonderful. I am coming back here to Henry's to eat in their dining room when I'm charged. You can do all kinds of things when you're charged, but when you ain't got a charge, you're stuck. Anyway, man, this all sounds so good. But what I ordered was the Ooh La La, where'd it go? The Ooh La La Louisiana. And it's shrimp, oysters, and crawfish, flash fried, tossed in a spinach and roasted garlic cream sauce. You can get all three of those seafoods. I just got the shrimp. But it looks wonderful, and it comes with a salad and bread. And the salad, she said the house dressing was ginger citrus. Now, I've never had ginger citrus dressing, but I'm fixing to try it. It's a nice little salad. Tomatoes, lettuce, onion, and cucumbers. That dressing is really good. Ginger, whoops, the perils of eating in your car. Ginger citrus. I wonder what citrus is in there. I don't know. But it's really good. And they gave me some, she said it comes with bread. And I saw this and I thought, I reckon it does. Look at all that bread. Man, that cornbread looks amazing. It looks like kind of sweet cornbread. Oh, Sunday, okay, no, that's good. I could make a meal on that. Woo! But here is the Ooh La La seafood. Look at that. I don't tilt it, I can't tilt it very much because I don't want to pour it out. But I'm fixing to try it. There's enough there for lunch tomorrow. Whoops. See if I can get some here. It's over angel hair pasta in that cream sauce. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. That's really, really good. So, Henry's Louisiana Kitchen is definitely on my list to try again. In Acworth, Georgia, on Main Street. It's www.chefhenrys.com. Got a little history of him there, which is very good. He was the national winner of ABC's Nightline People's Plate List contest. I don't know what that is, but he won something. And I can see why. So, if you're ever in Acworth, Georgia, just north of Chattanooga, not Chattanooga, Atlanta, go to Henry's Louisiana Kitchen. You gotta try it.